Thanks for tagging along on my little getaway. Oh my god, I needed that. Look at this, guys. We're number one on the ferry. Yeah. Just because we're a wide body. I don't know if that means we're first off, but hey, look where we are. So I'm heading south of it here to meet up with my buddy Nitin. Look at this day. I'm telling you, like, oh, I love living on Vancouver Island. Nitin is picking up some firewood from a friend of his. I'm supposed to meet him there, and then we're gonna go find this place and we're gonna go fishing. We're just south of where I'm supposed to, or just north of where I'm supposed to meet Nitin, and then we're heading up for isolation and destination. Well, looky who showed up. We finally hooked up with Nitin. N-I-T-I-N, Nitin. And we're heading north to a place called Twin Lakes. He says, Brent, I'm going to take you fishing. And I'm like, I'm down with that, buddy. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we have enough wood. You know, it really does look like a great day to go spend a weekend with a friend, eh? Damn, I wish I would have caught that live on video, but look at his look on his face. So the story goes, there's way too much snow up here for us to actually get in safely to something in the backwoods. We're gonna head back to Campbell River. I was kind of worried about my petrol situation, my gas situation. So I'm going to get everything topped up while we're in Campbell River. And there's a quaint little spot just outside of Campbell River called Elk Falls Provincial Park. So when in doubt, go find a provincial campground. Just, my God, check this out. Do you guys stumble across crap like this? Like, hello, Mr. Tree. Anyways. Well, good morning, Elk Falls, Campbell River. Like my Where's Waldo glasses. I couldn't find my glasses this morning. Thank God I bought these. We're up for a little stroll, taking the garbage out. It's 8 o'clock. And it's still winter up here in Campbell River. Today, I think we're going to be heading up to Campbell Lake Reservoir. So I got things semi-organized in here. This is where the wood's coming. Just if I put my boots on. Almost 8 o'clock. Or is it 9 o'clock? Hang on. Almost 9 o'clock. our camping coordinator, Nitin, struck out at his first place, so I picked the second place. Hopefully we can get in there. And I'm going to start loading wood, and hopefully he'll get up because I'm going to take off. Nitin just knocked on his window and let me know he's awake, and I got a little bit more wood to put into the van. Yeah, so this is one little lake I always like to stop at when I come by. It's a neat little pull out on the side of the road. But as you can see, all these small lakes are frozen right over. So poor Nitin, he's got his belly boat, pontoon boat, he wants to come out and fish with. So I pulled over here and said, "Do you want to try fishing here?" He's just going to the washroom. We'll be on the road here shortly. So the plan is to spend a couple nights here, right? Yep. Okay. We gotta unload all that wood out of the bus, set up camp, and life's gonna be just ducky.
I got you, Brent.
I know you do. Yeah, so this is our crappie view that we have for the next day or two. Be nice to see the sun pop up. Yeah, and it's not frozen.
Yeah. Big lake. So the water must be warm then? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, yeah. It's actually a heated pool. The hydro, BC Hydro. Now you know why they charge us so much. They heat all these lakes up here for, you know. The line over there?
Yeah.
That's a road. And somehow you can access it on the other end of the lake because you can't go across this bridge because the bridge is all blocked off. Look, Ruth, I got a new axe. It's pretty fancy, eh? Hey, Nitin, what are you doing over there?
Chopping a duck.
A what?
A duck.
A duck.
What's up, duck?
What's up, duck? All right, we're having duck for dinner. What kind of duck?
Muscovy duck.
Muscovy ducks. We're doing them in a curry?
We'll cook it in a soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Ginger and soy sauce.
Ginger and soy sauce. That sounds marvelous. This is going to be amazing. Did somebody say dinner's ready?
You know already it's lunch, okay?
Dude! Get out of there! Look at this lunch. Duck and rice.
Muscovy duck this time.
He doesn't eat it right because you're supposed to put rice on the plate first.
Oh.
So Nitin actually raises ducks in his backyard, and yeah, so this is one of his babies. Here comes the snow. Yeah, that was good. Oh, it looks like you enjoyed it too, did you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is a pretty good looking camp, eh? If you look way in the back off to the right, there's that bridge back there. We took cover. This guy's got everything. So yeah, just chilling around the fire. It's been a nice lazy day, and kind of needed it. It's not feeling good this morning. Still feeling a bit off, but we got fire, we got food, and we got friendship.
And we got the dude.
Well, we're freezing our knackers off here, so we're gonna load the fireplace right up and melt all the snow away.